Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If this is the first time that you're coming across this video or you're stopping by this channel, please enter and grab a seat. In this channel, we do all breaking news concerning Biafrans or any latest updates concerning Biafrans or our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to watch this video to the end and write on the comment section what you think about the video. Do well to write your opinion constructively, because in this channel every opinion do count. So my people, do watch the video to the end, and if you like the video, do share the video to your friends and family. Comment on the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. I will see you in my next video. Let's watch the video together.
Our team of lawyers, because a lot is happening on Facebook, which we know. And I want to let all of you know today that the team of lawyers visited Nnamdi Kanu, and I want to let you know that he's alive. He's alive. But he wants all. He gave an order that we should stop this quarrel amongst ourselves. That is not helping matters. So, and I urge every Biafrans to cease quarrel, stop fighting one another, and do the needful and do the right thing. Nnamdi Kanu is alive. That is the number one priority. That is the most important thing. And I am so glad and happy that he is alive. Because his life is our utmost priority. His life is of utmost importance. And the most important thing is that he is alive. And I want to let us know that we should continue to work assiduously. We should not relent. We should continue to work to protect his interests. We should be able to continue to fight and go to our Twitter handles and let the world know that extraordinary rendition is a global crime. That extraordinary rendition is a heinous crime. It is a crime against humanity. And we'll have to put a stop to it by doing what we are supposed to do, by working collectively as a family that we have always been. And then again, I want our people to know and to understand that our lawyers are doing what they are supposed to do. They are defending Nnamdi Kanu. They are working, both the ones in diaspora and the ones at home. That is why I decided to come to you this night to let you know that at least we all fought collectively, both on our social media handles and everything. The pressure is so much on them that I know. And we will not relent. That was why they were able to allow them, the team of lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, to be able to see him this evening, today. And I want to thank you, wherever you are, for your work, for everything that you are doing to make sure that our leader comes out from detention. For those who are tweeting, for those who are out there walking silently without even anybody praising them or knowing who they are. I know that a lot of our men are underground, people who have been working over the years, that don't even want their names to be mentioned on Radio Biafra. My thanks go to you all. Inasmuch as he's alive, I have the confidence that he will come out. They can torture him for all they like, But at the end, the truth must prevail. And I still, as you can see, as you're watching me, there is still this account from Ontario, Canada that is still going on. Any account that doesn't have the name of IPOB on it is a fake account. Do not do anything with that account. It is fake. Any account that Madam Nenayanya did not approve of is fake. That is the order of Onyendu, and it must be followed. Anybody who goes contrary to it, we all know that they are the people, those set of people are the enemies of Biafra and the enemies of Mnk Nnamdi Kanu. This very account here is a fake account. Any account that doesn't bear the name of IPOB and Madam Nenayanya is not signatory to it is not endorsed by Mnk Nnamdi Kanu. That's what I want to let all of you know. I come here so that I will tell you, and I will continue to brief you anytime the lawyers visit him. I will be here to let you know, because you and I deserve to know the well-being of our supreme leader. We deserve to know, and that is why I have decided to let you know that the lawyers were able to see him today and that he is alive. But we should not relent in our prayers. Continue to read your Psalms. Continue to pray for Mnk Nnamdi Kanu. Continue. Whatever thing that you can do, continue to do the needful. Our prayers goes to him at this point in time. And I know that will not abandon Mnk Nnamdi Kanu at this point in time. A lot of people, you people should not forget what happened in 2015. My brothers and my sisters, don't forget the tactics the enemy used in 2015. By now, anything I jump on it. If we see any rumor and gossip, we will follow suit and started carrying it without finding out, without saying, did this thing come from Radio Biafra, without wanting to know where is this information coming from. Is it coming from our leader or not? A lot are on Facebook talking what they know and what they don't know, talking who is a member of IPOB and who is not. And I don't even know when most of them joined IPOB to be causing confusion on the social media. We should all take it back and do the needful until we hear our leader, until we see our leader one-on-one. Because I know, maybe with the way things are going, I am believing that at least they should maybe send him to prison, or when they start allowing people and families to come and see him, Onyendu will be able to tell us more that we are dying to hear. Because a lot of us want to know what transpired. A lot of us want to know what happened. But the truth will come to light very soon. Any account you're making your donations to that doesn't have the name of IPOB in it, and Madam Nenayanya is not signatory to it or in charge of it, it is a fake account. Thank you very much, and thank you for lending me your ears. Good night.